Hi everyone, CJ here from secondopinion.ph, and today we're with the Mitsubishi XFORCE to see if it ticks all the right boxes for the everyday adventurer.
Hi guys, Mika here. So aside from the sporty styling, which I absolutely love, it's packed with features to keep you comfortable and entertained during long road trips. Let's take a closer look at the Mitsubishi XFORCE.
First of all, it has a sporty and adventurous styling. In a sea of crossovers, one needs to stand out in order to be noticed. And the Mitsubishi XFORCE has what it takes. It sports the brand's dynamic shield fascia and signature T-shaped LED headlamps and tail lamps. It also rides tall with its 193mm ground clearance, allowing it to traverse rough roads and flooded streets with ease. It's got handsome 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels to complete the sporty look. Overall, it just looks good from every angle. The sporty look truly matches athletic and adventurous personalities.
So inside it offers high levels of comfort and versatility, another road trip essential. Living in a tropical country made me appreciate the fabric seats in the GLS variant. They're comfortable and they don't get hot to the touch on warm summer days. The XFORCE is also ideal for both daily drives and road trips with its smart storage spaces and charging solutions. Want to keep your drinks cool? Just leave them in the center console. There's plenty of headroom and legroom in the back, so passengers can really stretch out and ride in comfort. If you're into sports or weekend adventures, you'll love how much gear you can throw in the back. No need to fold the rear seats. A golf bag fits perfectly, which pretty much says it all. Next up, it comes packed with a bunch of cool tech features. You have an 8-inch digital instrument cluster with a very intuitive layout, so you have easy access to all the information you need. It also features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to help you stay connected. You can also enjoy immersive sound on long road trips. Thanks to its dynamic sound Yamaha premium audio system, you can vibe to your favorite songs all the way. This 8-speaker system delivers balanced and clear sound quality throughout the cabin, transforming every drive into a mobile concert. You can even customize the sound modes to suit your listening mood: signature, lively, powerful, and relaxing.
With a responsive yet fuel-efficient 1.5-liter engine under the hood mated to a CVT, the XFORCE gives you the best of both worlds. On the road, the XFORCE proved to have an ideal balance between comfort and responsiveness. The engine and transmission enabled energetic acceleration around the city and even when overtaking on the expressway. The suspension was supple enough to absorb bumps and potholes, but firm enough to offer enjoyable handling in the twisty mountain roads of Subic. And with 4 drive modes, namely normal, wet, gravel, and mud, it can transport you basically over any challenging road condition you can face. The XFORCE comes with an array of advanced safety features, ensuring peace of mind for all those inside the vehicle. It also comes with active yaw control, active stability and traction control, hill start assist, and 4 SRS airbags.
The turn-based variant usually suggests bare and lacking features, but the XFORCE GLS proves otherwise.
Priced at just under 1.4 million pesos, the Mitsubishi XFORCE ticks all the boxes of an everyday adventurer. With its sporty and sleek aesthetic, its spacious and comfortable interior, and its rich tech features. Special shoutout, by the way, to the Yamaha sound system inside. Music up, vibes immaculate.